Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to share a trip that I went to. We went to Netherlands. So this is the airport, and from the airport itself, when you land, you can take a train ticket to go to Amsterdam. This is the train station. You can go to right from the airport. You can get the ticket. It's about 6:30 or so, and you get the ticket and go to Amsterdam. So if you're new to my channel or haven't been here already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every week. So this is one of the trains, and the trains are very convenient, very clean, very nice, fast. It is a country that you can go to and feel at home, do your own thing. Everybody speaks English, and you can just have fun and come back, and no hassle there. So this is when you land or when you get off from the train to Amsterdam. This is the station there, and then we walked all the way up to our hotel because we wanted to see the scenery along the way as well. This is the central station, which is a beautiful old building, and you can see right from the get-go all the canals and the boats and all these nice buildings that Amsterdam is famous for. And this is the flower market. It's called the floating flower market, and during the tulip season, I guess there would be a lot of tulips here. Right now too there are, especially the tulip bulb that you can buy, and it's a beautiful place. It goes all along that whole street, and you can pick and choose whatever you like from those little stores. So you can see all these buildings. So I'm just gonna show you and just walk around the streets and show you how it looks like. We stayed there for 3 nights, 3 full days, so that's more than enough to enjoy everything. There are so many museums. We went to the Ritz Museum. We didn't go to the Van Gogh Museum, but there are other small museums that you can go to, and also go to the Anne Frank museum and see her house as well. And this is the Royal Palace, the other side of it. It's a very, very beautiful building as well, and you can just roam around, walk around, and enjoy. Especially during this time, it's a very nice weather, and you can just walk around and enjoy. And great food. They have great cheese, great food. You can enjoy, and the flowers everywhere. And you can also take a boat tour. In a bit I will show you that we took the boat tour as well, which gives you a lot of information about the buildings and how they used to live, and some interesting facts about the buildings and the windows and all these things as well. And yeah, so it's a very chill vibe. You can just walk around, enjoy, as I said before. No stress. If you have 3 days, it's more than enough. There are so many things to do. You can search up whatever you want to do. It should give you all the information that is required, and everyone's very friendly and nice as well. And at night time as well, it's very beautiful. All the lights come out, and as you see here, looks very, very beautiful. And of course, Amsterdam is famous for the red light district. You can check that out as well, how it looks like. It is a very interesting place as well. Different people. There's lots to see, and there are museums there as well that you can check out, little places, and lots of little stores that you can buy stuff from. And they have porcelain stuff that you can buy, which looks very beautiful. And this is inside the Ritz Museum, which has a lot of historical artifacts and very interesting things to see. Actually, that's very I really liked walking around this museum and seeing all these things. It's from different eras, and also from some of the things that they have is from different countries as well. So it's a lot of things, I would say, that you can see and learn from. And these are the ships that they used to build, because they are conquerors. They have conquered a lot of countries. So this is what it was all about. And this section is all about ships, and This is a very interesting thing as well, where the princesses or the rich women used to have these doll houses for them, and they used to compare each other's doll houses as well. And this is the outside of the museum. They have two I saw two different gardens on the sides of the museum. Very, very beautiful. And outside of the museum is also very beautiful. It's a very old building, as you see part of it here, and the gardens are very well maintained and beautiful with flowers, wildflowers. So this is the museum. As you see, a nice big building, looks like a castle. So it's a very, very beautiful place to be and just walk around. And there are parks around as well. There is actually a park that's very close by that you can walk to, that's around this museum, which we went to as well. It's called a Wandel Park, and that had lots of water bodies, lots of trees, places to sit on. So you can just go and enjoy that as well, and trails to walk on as well. So this is me just like walking around, seeing the flowers, enjoying the beautiful outdoors. And this is us walking to the Anne Frank museum. We did not go in because there was a huge lineup. I would recommend buying the tickets beforehand if you are going in to see the Anne Frank house. And this is just random streets that you can walk around. This is actually in front of the central station, because we wanted to take the boat tour from here, because we saw that there are a lot of places that we can get the boat tour here when we first came in. So we decided to come back here, and it's just really close to our hotel as well. So close as in maybe a kilometer away from the hotel. So it's just a nice walk, and you can see all these buildings. Kind of looks like Venice as well, because they are right on the water and you can go into the building from a boat. And I'll show you a little bit of the boat tour as well, which was very nice to see all these buildings from the different view of sitting on the boat, as you see here. So then I'll let you enjoy. If there are any questions, comments, you want to ask anything from me about the experience or what you should do, let me know in the comments below. I'll try to help you out as much as I can, because it is fresh in my memory and I remember all the things that is available. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. So then I'll let you to enjoy the next rest of the video. So this was at the airport. An artist went behind a clock and actually did the whole walk around of the clock hands, minute by minute, which was very interesting. So I took a video of that as well. So then I hope you enjoyed this video. I put some next videos for you to check out as well of the different places that I've been to. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. And if you have any questions about Netherlands, Amsterdam, let me know in the comments below. And if you have any ideas for me to draw or any DIY projects as well, let me know again. And I hope you enjoy. And I will see you next time. Bye.